Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit PDF here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Editing a PDF here in Adobe Express may not be as robust as using Adobe Acrobat, but it can still be useful for a lot of reasons. Now, for you to be able to edit a PDF here in Adobe Express, you might want to go to the home page. In this section, I want you to click on the More Ways to Start and click the View All. From here, I want you to click on the Quick Actions tab and hover down to where it says Edit PDF. Right now, from here, all I have to do, you see, it is powered by Adobe Acrobat because, as we all know, Adobe is an ecosystem. If you're working with Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, Express, and a lot more, they have an integrated, seamless connection. Right? You can edit and text or rotate your size images in your PDF documents and add or update copy, change font size, colors, and a lot more. All I have to do is drag and drop a file or browse, and they support up to 100 MB. So let's do that right now. Now, the file has been loaded here, and once you have uploaded the PDF, you have now all the information for you at your disposal, right? You can choose the format size, for example, for the text right here. You can choose a lot of information here, right? You can cut, you can copy, you can select all. You have a lot of these options. You can put in the underline, for example. I'm going to be underlining this. Could put in like a annotation for that, like a small here. You could choose the different color, maybe yellowish in nature. Could put in a comment right here, add comments, all right? Add text comments. Now, on the add text comments, all right, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And if you don't have the size to make it bigger, that's easy, all right? Now, you see, you have multiple options here. You can put in a single page view, two-page view. Can also fit in one page if you wanted. All right. On the top, you can zoom in to make sure that the annotation has been properly placed together. All right. Want to make sure that's all correct. And then after that, there's going to be an option here for the pages, or how many pages we want to do with this. Now, once everything is in put together, since you have converted your PDF or your image to a PDF here in Adobe Express, you might want to click the download button. If you do that, you would be able to download the PDF converted here in Adobe Express in your computer or in your machine. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.